Amidst everything else that is happening in sports, I saw a thing in the papers recently that national senior football coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore is running out of patience with the JFF for hitching with the handling of his contract negotiation. This, of course, is after Whitmore rejected the disrespectful $3,000 a month offer by the JFF. But you know, say, now is the worst time to have the national coach disgruntled. After Jamaica tile and finally breaks into the top 50 on the FIFA rankings, this was always the aim and the objective, to get into that magical top 50 so that our top players can get more contract opportunities on the lucrative English market. But as Coach Whitmore himself has pointed out, it is one thing to make the top 50. The real challenge is to stay there. Because if we don't stay there, then it basically negates the value of getting there. And when the main driving force behind this run of success, the coach, is in a long argument with the federation about his pay, that is not a good look. We don't need to get back into this circular argument about how Jamaicans treat our own compared to how we treat foreigners. Everybody knows that is a flaw in the Jamaican mentality. But big and serious, we just beg the JFF to keep it simple. Tapper Whitmore is doing a good job as national coach. Pay the man some money before him get a call from the English FA.